Are you working hard in the gym but not seeing the muscle gains you want? It's frustrating, right? What if there's a simple supplement combo that could help your muscles recover faster and grow stronger? Forget the hype. This isn't about magic pills, but about smart science. Most people focus on protein and creatine, but there's another duo that works behind the scenes: HMB and vitamin D. This pair helps reduce muscle breakdown and supercharges repair, whether you're a beginner or a pro. By combining them, you create the perfect environment for muscle growth and protection. Ready to learn how the combo can change your fitness game? Let's break it down, nice and simple. HMB, Beta-Hydroxy Beta-Methylbutyrate, might sound complicated at first, but it's your muscle's best friend, always there to support you when you need it most. Your body actually makes a small amount of HMB naturally when it breaks down leucine, an important amino acid found in protein-rich foods like chicken, eggs, and fish. HMB's main job? Protecting your muscles from breaking down, especially after tough workouts that leave you feeling sore and fatigued. Think of building muscle like filling a leaky bucket. Protein and training fill it up, but muscle breakdown is the leak that drains your hard work away. HMB acts like a patch for that leak, helping you keep more of the muscle you build and making your efforts count for more. This means you can recover faster, see better gains over time, and stay motivated as you notice real progress in your strength and muscle definition. HMB isn't just for bodybuilders or elite athletes. It helps anyone new to exercise, or even those returning after a break, recover quicker and feel less sore after workouts. Even on your rest days, HMB is quietly working in the background, safeguarding your muscle tissue and helping your body repair itself. It's a steady, reliable friend for your muscles, always there, making sure you don't lose what you've worked so hard to gain. So if you want to keep your hard-earned muscle and make the most of your workouts, HMB is your go-to supplement. But HMB doesn't work alone. Let's see what its partner, vitamin D, brings to the table and how they team up for even better results. Vitamin D is famous for bone health, but its benefits go far beyond just keeping your skeleton strong and sturdy. It's a vital nutrient that plays a role in many different systems throughout your body, supporting your overall health in ways you might not expect. For example, it's also crucial for muscle strength and repair. Whether you're an athlete, a weekend warrior, or just want to stay active as you age, vitamin D helps your muscles recover after exercise and grow stronger over time. Your muscle cells have special receptors for vitamin D. Think of it as the key that unlocks muscle growth and helps your body build lean, powerful muscle tissue. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles miss out on vital growth signals, no matter how hard you train. This can lead to slower recovery, more fatigue, and even a higher risk of injury. It also improves muscle function, making every movement more effective and efficient, whether you're lifting weights or simply going for a walk. Plus, vitamin D helps your nerves communicate with your muscles, ensuring your body responds quickly and powerfully to every signal your brain sends. Low vitamin D is common, especially in places with little sunlight or during the winter months when we spend more time indoors and our bodies make less of it naturally. That's why supplementing can be so important. It ensures your muscles get what they need to recover, grow, and perform at their best, no matter the season. It's not just about bones, it's about building a stronger, more resilient body that can handle whatever life throws your way at any age. If you want to maximize your workouts and truly support your body's potential, don't overlook vitamin D. Now let's see why pairing it with HMB is a game changer for muscle health and performance. The real magic happens when these two work together, unlocking even greater benefits for your body and your fitness journey. Here's where things get exciting. HMB and vitamin D together create the ultimate muscle-building environment. HMB reduces muscle breakdown, while vitamin D boosts muscle-building signals. It's a 1-2 punch. You keep more muscle and build new muscle faster. Research shows this combo helps even people who struggle to gain muscle, like older adults. Imagine the results when you add regular training. Most people focus on protein and creatine, but this duo targets muscle health at a deeper level. By optimizing HMB and vitamin D, you lay a strong foundation for all your fitness goals. It's a smarter way to train and recover. Ready to try this power combo? Whether you're new to supplements or a seasoned athlete, starting safely is key to getting the most out of your routine. Begin with about 3 grams of HMB daily. This is a well-researched amount that supports muscle health and recovery. Pair it with 10 micrograms or 400 IU of vitamin D. Remember, everyone's needs are different, so it's smart to check with your doctor or a nutrition expert before starting any new supplement. This dynamic duo can benefit a wide range of people. Older adults looking to stay active, those recovering from injury, and serious lifters aiming to maximize their gains. Just remember, supplements are meant to support a healthy diet and active lifestyle. They're not a replacement for real nutritious food or regular movement. Here's a bonus tip. Grapes are loaded with polyphenols, powerful plant compounds that can do wonders for your body. These natural antioxidants may help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after tough workouts, making recovery a little easier. So, enjoy a handful of grapes after your next training session for a tasty, refreshing recovery boost. The secret's out. HMB and vitamin D together can help protect your muscles, boost your strength, and speed up your recovery time. Combine these supplements with wholesome meals and plenty of colorful fruits and veggies for the best results. And don't forget, consistent training is key. Give this routine a try. Listen to your body and watch the difference unfold. Let's get stronger together.